Hello friends, today's topic American tariff on other countries. Is it a boon for India? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Educational Society. The US announced the suspension of additional tariffs on India for 90 days until July 9. A week earlier to that, the US President had imposed reciprocal tariffs on 60 countries exporting goods to America. The tariffs have escalated a global trade war, with several countries retaliating with their own tariffs on trade with the US. Due to the disruption and economic uncertainty, global stock markets have been very volatile and weak. What are tariffs? Countries impose tariffs, that is tax, on imports to protect their local industries. But these measures can have ripple effects on economies worldwide. Higher tariffs make foreign products more expensive, potentially reducing the demand. For example, if the US imposes a 25% tariff on Indian steel, Indian exporters may lose price competitiveness in the US market since steel from India will cost more than in US. Donald Trump believes that the latest tariff hikes will increase domestic production of goods in the US. However, this may or may not happen since many countries are not capable of producing cost-effective products, since other countries may have an advantage with respect to cheaper labor, cheap raw materials, etc. Hence, the US relies on producing certain goods in their country. Its own people may need to pay a higher price for products. So far, India has taken a cautious approach as the focus seems to be on negotiations and bilateral trade talks to navigate the current tariff war. Since the percentage of tariff is much lower than other countries, this trade war is likely to have smaller impact than other countries. As per Donald Trump's trade representative, India is among a group of countries now willing to cut tariffs. With the US mainly attacking China with high tariffs, many countries are seeking reliable trade partners, among which India is one of the top contenders. As per economists, India must lower tariffs, enhance export competitiveness so that they can gain higher share of global trade. The following are some of the important data about India's imports and exports. Top import sources and export destinations for Indian goods. For example, China, top import sources, total percentage import 15. 2. US, percentage of total import 8%. 3. UAE 7%. Now, top export destinations. Number 1, US 17%. 2. UAE 6%. 3. China 5%. Here is an announcement. Large number of people are asking us some details about the mutual funds. In order to assemble all of them together so that we can conduct a free 2-hour online workshop on mutual funds. To know more details about this above workshop, attend a 10 minutes online webinar on 18th April, Friday, holiday at 7:05 p.m. To register, send an email to success-@gmail.com with the subject Mutual Fund Webinar with your name and mobile number. Seats for the first 80 people only. I am not giving more details here in order to save the time of the video and also to keep the video short. Now, continuing the matter of the video, impact of tariff hikes on Indian economy. Number 1, IT and software, costlier outsourcing due to visa and tax barriers. 2. Pharma, likely tariff by US for Indian exports. 3. Textiles, reduced demand and job impact. 4. Auto, higher production costs due to steel and aluminium tariffs. 5. Agriculture, farmers may be hit by lower exports. Actions that India is taking to reduce impact of US tariffs. It is diversifying exports, expanding to Europe, Africa and Asian countries. It is boosting domestic manufacturing for various sectors such as electronics, textiles and automobiles. India and the US are working on tariff-related negotiations and finalizing the bilateral trade agreement. As per experts, the short-term Indian economy will be impacted by the uncertainty of the global trade policies. However, in the long term, India is likely to become more self-sufficient in terms of imports and also develop stronger trade relationships with many countries. Hopefully, this could positively impact Indian stock markets too. Many products may be manufactured in India at more competitive prices. Let us hope that India can take advantage of this opportunity to replace a portion of China's manufacturing strength. As of now, India is much stronger in producing services compared to manufacturing goods. End of the video, here is a question. China is manufacturing superpower. Do you think India can match them after 20 to 30 years? You can either say yes or no in the chat box. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.